Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I will be showing you how you guys could cop the Air Jordan 1 High Pollen. I personally think the shoe is really dope, and I would actually like to have this one in the collection. I would have to think of some sort of outfit to wear with it, but you know, overall, I need more Jordan 1s in the collection. I mean, not need, but I definitely would like to have more in the collection, so this is definitely another one that I think I would like in the collection just because of how it looks. But, I mean, if you're trying to get it to resell, it's performing really well, so, you know, I'll probably be trying to get some pairs to do that also, since, you know, I mean, the shoe it's doing good. People really like this one, and I think the demand is there. So if you guys want more how-to cop content like this, again, we just discuss sneakers and all that in the channel. You can go kind of check what we do, so feel free to subscribe and like down below. Again, no like goal in this video, just road to 50K, because I got a giveaway coming then, and I might be partnering up with someone for that, so stay tuned for that. Coming up soon, because I'm pretty excited for that, and I think you guys will really enjoy, you know, the giveaway there, because it's gonna be some sort of pair of shoes. Just let me know if you guys have any ideas in mind, and I can definitely think of some right there. But yeah, Instagrams, all that down below in the description. Feel free to check them out, and let's just kind of get into this video. Alright, so getting into discussing this shoe right here. Overall, most of the shoe, I mean, it's a pretty equal balance between yellow and black. There's only two colors on the shoe. I really like that they decided to go with the all yellow sole for the shoe. I mean, I think, you know, if they put an all black sole in the shoe, I think that would have looked pretty decent also, but I like the decision in the colors that they chose, and kind of where they, you know, decided to put them on the shoe. Now, I'm not sure if the shoe is a retro of sorts. I'm just going to assume it is, like most Jordan 1s are nowadays, so I will assume that this one has been made before, and this is just, you know, the later version, you know, now coming out this year. So we'll just kind of get into the most basic information about this one, so you guys can see right here, you know, it's going to be available August 14th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, so don't forget Eastern time, so it's not dropping 10 a.m. everywhere, so make sure you check what time it is dropping for you. Get in your app, you know, computer, wherever you know usually cop, just go check and see what time it is dropping for you, so you don't miss the drop, because it's not going to be 10 a.m. everywhere since it's just Eastern time. But don't forget, $170 retail. That's normal retail for some Jordan 1s, so definitely more profitable in adult sizes than they will be in grade school sizes, again, if that is what you're going for the shoe for. The grade school sizes are doing all right, you know, right now, nothing too crazy, but definitely worth going for. I'd probably pass on the little kids and toddler sizes, but I mean, these might profit a little bit, like 10-20 bucks, but really not anything too crazy. If you're trying to make more money off this drop, then I probably would pass on these ones. But if you're just trying to, you know, cop something, then I guess, you know, go ahead. But I'll mainly be going for this size right here, and also for the adult sizes. And hopefully I can get my size on sneakers. I hope my phone's pretty good at getting me personal pairs. You know, on my phone, I've gotten most of my personal pairs off the Snkrs app there. So, you know, hopefully my phone will come up clutch and, you know, get me a 9.5 here, because that's definitely what I need. But yeah, overall, shoes well done. The design's well done. People really like this one. And it's another Jordan 1. And people always like Jordan 1s. Jordan 1s are still hyped. So, you know what I mean? It's still there. So aside from that basic information that I've been discussing, you know, all that about the shoe, let's kind of get into what it is actually reselling for right now. So in adult sizes, as I said, it is doing really well right now. And the reason it's doing really well right now, I mean, it is like 550 sales that are at like $280, $300, which is really good. But the thing is that more pairs are going to release on sneakers, more pairs are going to release on a bunch of FOOTSITES. Like, I already know it's releasing on quite a few, so keeping that in mind, I definitely see the price on these dropping probably another $30. But I think that this will probably be around the range, and this is just like an honest and fair range, because again, it could drop a lot more. People like to quick sell, you know, that's how it's been with a lot of these shoes. Yeezy Day is a great example of that, where people were just, you know, would drop the value of a shoe from $1,000 to $300. Like, that's quite a hold right there. You should definitely be buying pairs of that shoe right now while it's at $300 and people are quick selling it, because once the quick sellers go, the shoe's gonna rise in value. And same with this one right here. That's what I personally think. I think this will probably drop to a range around $220 to $250, and I will put a plus on the 250 cents. I do think the bigger sizes, such as, you know, above a size 10, I think those could probably stay above, you know, $270, maybe even at $300, you know, depending on how the hype is. Like an 11.5, I think that could stay at $300 for sure. So that's, you know, a ton of profit right there in terms of a size to go for. But that's a pretty popular one. But looks like also bigger sizes, you know, size 13, that's always a great size to go for, always profitable, easy to find a buyer for it. I mean, look at that. Look at the resale on that one. So I'm definitely leaving the plus in the end there, but I just think people are going to undercut the shoe, but I do think it is a great hold since I think the demand is there for sure. So if you're asking me whether to sell or hold the shoe, I personally think if you get it for retail, hold it. I think if you don't get it for retail, don't bother getting pairs to hold. It just, you know, it's going to go up, but it's not going to be like, you know, some sort of crazy thing. Like, it'll go up 50, 100 bucks, but I wouldn't buy them, you know, for resale to hold. I would focus on buying maybe some of the Yeezy Day stuff for resale to hold, like some of those synth reflective, black reflective, like easy calls there, easy holds, going for not enough right now compared to what they were going before the drop, and there wasn't even that much stock. So reeling back in right here, I was getting off topic there, but hopefully you understood what I was saying. Grade school sizes, I actually think Resell will probably stay for what they're at right now. Maybe drop like $10-$20, so just kind of see what it's at right now on the screen, and just consider it dropping another $10-$20. I really think it's honestly at a pretty fair price. Like, there's been a decent amount of sales for them, like like around 200 sales, so not bad. I think they're honestly, what they're at right now will probably be what they stay at. But again, could drop 10-20. So aside from that, let's kind of discuss, and if you've been here on the channel, you know what I'm going to bring up there. That's all the basic info. But if you want to know how you guys could increase your chances of copying off the Snkrs app, I personally use all these tips, and they've helped me out, with copying more on the app. I've copped a lot of times this year. So it's these two videos. They're going to be both linked down below in the description. This one right here shows you guys how you can make multiple accounts in Snkrs and what you guys can do there. Excuse me, but like how to, set up multiple accounts like safely, all that, what you got to do. And, I got like 6 accounts and I use them all. And, I've been hitting on my different accounts. So, that's really what the video does. It's been helpful for me, so hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. And then this one right here, since Snkrs is pretty much switched over to just draws only right now, they've completely abandoned the other form of 3-minute releases, those little short ones where you just enter and kind of wait to get the result, not like within like waiting 10 minutes to enter, you know what I mean? Those are only like now in Jordan reserves and stuff like that. But this video shows you guys some tips and tricks you could use on the Snkrs app. I've overall gotten some pretty decent feedback from it. So, check the comments, check whatever, and, just kind of see what the people are saying, or just, watch the video. And again, both these would be down below in the description, so feel free to check those there. And yeah, that could definitely help you guys out right there, so feel free to check that. Now, another thing I want to mention also, these guys could help you actually cop this release off FOOTSITES. They've helped me, get plenty of releases. I copped the undefeated dunks yesterday with their information, did that manually. That was overall a pretty easy manual cop, so, I'm not going to like give too much credit, but they did give me all the release info for that one right there. And they've honestly, I got to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce right here. They've been copping me releases. They got me something from Yeezy Day. I think I got that package coming in sometime today maybe, so I'm going to be holding those green glows. And overall, they've made me my monthly feedback just from what they've provided me with, all the info. They helped cop me the paras, and they are, again, $60 monthly, but it is definitely easy to pay back if you just interact with the chat and everything that is in it. Again, they've given me a lot of great raffle information. I always see people, kind of hitting on raffles. Like, I got one pair of these. This guy, you can see, got 2, so, he's been doing good. And, they've been helping people. I should have entered in on this call, but, they showed people about this one. These are retailing really, not retailing, but reselling really well. So, you know what I mean? Like, they help people have a lot of success, and overall, it's not just with shoes. Like, it could be random resale, NFTs, crypto, like stocks, the sports cards. It can show you how to resell those. So yeah, a lot of success overall for members, and I really appreciate what they've been doing for me. So main thing, I was almost about to get off topic there, but main thing I want to discuss is how they could actually get you this release off FOOTSITES, which would be with their slot system in their chat. Now, what their slot system is, it's basically, their ticket system. Like, once you get in the Discord, you'll see a section called tickets, and it shows you all the people running, for different releases, for like the sports card drops, PS5s, whatever it may be. There'll be people running for profitable stuff and helping you cop. Like, when it was on Yeezy Day, there was tons of people entering in tickets and getting their stuff because Secret Sauce helped them out. So how you'd enter in a ticket again is it takes you to the site, like in that section, and on the site it just shows you all kind of the the paid and freed ones going on right now. So with the paid slots, again, if they hit you on a release, copy something, you just got to pay them a little fee after, and that's all you really got to do. And then with the free tickets, if they get you something, you don't got to pay them, no fee, nothing after. So it's really great right there. I like how that works. That's all your boy really needs to say right there. And yeah, we'll just kind of, there's a couple more things I need to mention. Again, if you want to check them out down below. I don't know why I keep like almost ending the video, like what am I doing? But if you guys want to enter in their group chat, kind of check them out down below, then just go to their Twitter right there, or their Instagram, go follow them on their Instagram, wait till they drop invites again so you can check them out there. Or feel free to go on their Twitter, send them a message, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get into the group? I know it's invite only, but I'm really interested in reselling and all that. Maybe discuss like what kind of budget you got, and like anything like that. You don't even gotta, I wouldn't even mention the budget. Just let them know that I sent you and you're interested. And that's all you really gotta do right there. So shout out my guys at Secret Sauce as always. They've been very helpful for me lately. Aside from that, these 2 articles, I'm only gonna be linking the Sneaker News one down below, because when I'm on the House of Heat article, it shows it as no places are releasing these Dunk High Pollens on FOOTSITES, which is not true. If you go look on Sneaker News, there's plenty of places that are going to be releasing this, release on FOOTSITES. I know there's places dropping reservations, Foot Lockers. So, there's plenty of raffles and different things like that coming up for this shoe. Even almost forgot to pull this up, which is crazy. This article right here is also going to be down below. You can see there's not many raffles shown going on for the Pollens right now, but I'm sure this will update. I'm sure there'll be more soon. You know, just follow your normal Instagram pages, you know, that you have for raffles, like sneaker stores like Follow Concepts, Sneakers and Stuff, Titolo Shop, 43 Einhalb, and clothing. Like, stay tuned on those pages to see if they end up dropping some sort of raffle for these, and that's why I got this article there. But that's everything that needs to be said. I kind of got off topic a few times, but overall, hopefully you understand. If you have any questions down below, leave them there and I'll be answering them. And that's really everything I need to say about how you guys could cop this release. I'm definitely going to be getting my hands on some pairs and using my own methods right here. So if you guys want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Everything will be down there in the description, and no like on this video, just as many as possible to help the channel get out there. And I appreciate your guys' constant support. So my Instagrams, all that will be down there, so feel free to check that. Again, I don't know how many times I've repeated that phrase, so we're done doing that. I think I repeated it probably 3 times in, like, I don't know, like a minute there, so that's just enough. I don't know why I'm doing that, but yeah, you know, I'm definitely about to go make myself some breakfast downstairs, do all that, and I'm gonna end the screen recording. I don't know why I'm letting y'all know about my personal life, but there you go. Well, it's not really a big deal, but I don't know why I'm letting y'all know about cooking eggs. We should only be talking about cooking shoes for now. So that's it. I'm Tristan, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.